Installation of your SoniShield Duo. To start, you'll want to secure your probe inside of the appliance using the included cable management kit. Then you'll want to feed the extension cable through the hinge or port on the back of the appliance. Make sure that you pull enough of the cable through to reach the location that you want to place the sensor in. Once connected, you'll want to use the included cable management kit to fasten the rest of the extension cable on the outside of the device. Then you'll want to close the port up. You'll then want to use the included sticky tape to fasten the Duo to the appliance. Once fastened, make sure you plug in the opposite end of the extension cable into input 1 or input 2 of the Duo. Plug the included power adapter into an active power outlet and then plug the micro USB cable into the Duo. Then you'll want to use the included reset pin to press and hold the left-sided reset button until the front left LED flashes green. This will force your device to check in, and you can verify that it's online by checking in new points.